Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Nasrullah bin Redai 1211090892. Okay, introductions of lightning installation planning on mouse and office. First of all, one of the key subsystem in building is the lighting system. The mechanical and electrical engineers participate in the design phase of the buildings after the architect has finished the design. When create a lighting system, there are several things to consider, including numerous design techniques, measurement, illumination level, their lighting, and sensor placement. Based on the Malaysian standard MS 1525, energy efficiency and use of the renewable energy for non-resident building code of the practice was revised in 2014, and it was one of the Malaysian standard which has delivered by SIRIM. The architect and engineer can use the standard to design the buildings, lightnings and electrical system, air conditioning and mechanical ventilation system, and energy management system. Good lighting design contributes to safety and health at the workplace by enabling people to perform their works comfortably and efficiently. The quicker and easier it is to see a hazard, the more easily is avoided. The type of hazard present at the work therefore determine of the lighting requirement for the safety operation. There must be sufficient light in the workplace to ensure safety and health. The lighting of the workplace should enable people to comfortably see what they need to their tasks. Good lighting also create a pleasant atmosphere and give the people a sense of well-being. The problem statement is a lack of the true plan and lighting design knowledge is make a difference. Implement a lighting system to in the structure. Since the currently not installation lighting system in the building, a plan must be created to provide the sufficient lighting for the space intended use. The objective is to familiarize students with AutoCAD software for analytical and graphical solution. Next, to design and calculate the total lamp requirement in the buildings, to identify the type of the lamp are suitable in the project, to understand the basic calculation of the total luminaires in each page. Lastly, to create a cost-effective project considering the factors such as installation, maintenance, and energy cost.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Arif bin Jonesab. Today I would like to talk about the introduction for assignment 2, which is background study, objective and problem statement. For the background study, a total connected load, which is TCL, is the sum of the power ratings of all electrical device and equipment connected to an electrical system or circuit. This includes all electrical appliances, lighting, machinery and other items that use electricity in a given facility or system. Understanding the total connected load is very important in designing an electricity distribution system. Maximum demand is the maximum level of electrical power demand recorded in an electrical system for a certain time period. This measurement is crucial for determining a facility or system peak load needs. Understanding and managing maximum demands enable organization to design reliable system, optimize energy use, reduce operational costs, and ensure compliance with safety standards. For a socket are found in every building and serve as the primary interface between the electrical system and our device. The use of electrical sockets is not limited to homes only. The versatility of these sockets extend to outdoor space as well. For the problem statement, installation of a socket requires guidelines and consideration. The type of socket housing, the socket position, and the wire system in which the socket is installed are all critical consideration. This is critical to ensuring that the socket is securely placed and safe in the long run. Balanced load is also a priority when designing a proper and functional electrical installation system. For the objective of Assignment 2, the major goal of this project is to design a proper and functional electrical installation system in the surau and office buildings. First objective is to design and install the building lighting system. Second, to develop a balanced load for all distribution board design. Third, to calculate lighting, power, and air conditioning load. For the last, to determine the number of distribution box and balance the load.
Assalamualaikum. Today I will talk about the methodology of assignment 2, which is for the project flowchart. We will start with load calculation. Second, calculate total connected load and maximum demand. Third, determine the number of distribution board. After that, switch socket outlet design, type of socket, decide either ring or radial circuit, and for the last, calculate quantity of socket outlet point. For theoretical of load calculation, the calculating of rated current was being manually calculated using the manual calculation recorded in Microsoft Excel. Firstly, the total connected load should be determined first by using the formula for all lamps, socket, fan, and air conditioner in that building, followed up by calculating the maximum demand for each item. The equation of total connected load and maximum demand is shown as below. For the maximum demand equal to dF times by CL. Second, maximum demand equals to Q times CL, which is Q is quantity, CL is connected load, and dF is diversity factor. The connected load and diversity factor should be determined before using the formula above by referring the appendix. Next, the load current can be determined based on equation below in order to determine the suitable protection device and cable sizing. For three-phase system, load current, which is IB, equals to maximum demand divided by square root 3 times by 415 cos P. For single phase system, IB equals to maximum demand divided by 240 times by cos P. Lastly, the load current must be balanced between the phase. The formula shown below was used to balancing load. The percent should be lower than 10%. Percentage load equals to higher load minus by lower load divided by higher load times by 100%. For justification distribution load in an electrical power system, the distribution load is a combined electrical demand of all the consumers, residential, commercial, and industrial, served by a particular segment of the electrical distribution system, especially when connected to a three-phase power system. Since surau an office is a huge building with many rooms, therefore most an office needed to be powered by a three-phase supply. There are some requirements that need to be fulfilled in order to increase the efficiency of the load distribution. Besides that, consumer must have access to power in any amount that they may require at any time. Motors, for example, may be started or stopped, and lights turned on and off without prior notice to the electric utility. For the purpose of the most an office, it is important to balance a three-phase load for various reasons concerning the effectiveness, dependability, and durability of electrical equipment. Furthermore, balanced load guarantee effective power usage, lowering system energy losses. For economic decision, the air conditioner is an essential component of your house. They are divided into two categories, non-inverter AC and inverter AC. This page will go over the distinction between them, how they operate, the benefits and drawbacks of each kind. The compressor speed is the primary distinction between an AC system with an inverter and one without one. While the compressor in a non-inverted AC has a set step, the compressor in an inverted AC has a variable speed compressor. Compared to non-inverted air conditioner, inverted air conditioner may save up to 30% on electricity consumption, making them much more energy efficient. In order to maintain the appropriate temperature, non-inverted air conditioners employ the on and off approach, in which the compressor is turned on and off at regular intervals. Finally, inverter AC also have better temperature control than non-inverter ACs because they can vary the speed of their compressors to respond to changing conditions. This means that AC will be able to maintain an optimal temperature throughout the day.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afif Syami bin Abdul Hadi. I'm from group 16. Now I will start my presentation for project IDP. Okay, for introduction, a specific building was assigned to our group for designing the electrical system for entire assigned building. Solution for complex engineering problem and design for system, component or process that meet specific need must be created with appropriate consideration for public health and safety, cultural, societal and environmental consideration. This is for assignment 1. For assignment 2, based on the group project of electrical installation design from assignment 1, a balanced load for all this distribution board design must be developed. Complete calculation for lighting, power and air conditioning load should be shown. So, as I'm responsible for installation design for arah satu pejabat, so this is the formula that we use for assignment 1 to get the amount of lamp in any room. This is for room index. As we can see, it's left time width divided by height time left plus width. So for assignment 2, to get the aircon horsepower, we can use this formula, that is area in feet times cooling factor 60 or 70 divided by 9000. 60 or 70 we can assume for how many people that use the room. If lesser people, we use 60, and if more people, we use 70. For socket, to choose socket outlet, we can use this table. As we can see here, single socket outlet, we can see that size of wire and circuit breaker that we can use. So for assignment 2, I use single socket, double socket and ring. Okay. So for product that we use for lamp and aircon, so for keluar lamp, we use from PCO company, standard type exit series. For emergency light, we use from PNE TM, self-contained emergency luminaire. Use the surface mount. And for aircon split unit, we use York brand. Then for lamp, we use T5 fluorescent batten 1 times 28 watt and T5 fluorescent aluminum mirror louvre 4 times 14 watt. Okay, what I get for this project that we do is we need to carefully calculate the space for lamp, socket and aircon. We need to measure it right and precise, because it will affect the how much lamp socket and aircon use in the room, because for assignment 1 I made mistake and it troubled me a lot because I mistake for area calculation and forget the emergency light. Then we need to choose the right equipment or product used, because it will affect the place and the user, such as lamp. We need to use electrical system that generate less heat and right amount of light in the room. So that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ko Muhammad Fibin Ko Adnan. Metric number is 211090904. Dear Mr. Zaidi, in this assignment we were able to determine the placement and quantity of equipment such as lights, sockets, and air conditioners. The width and the height of a room or corridor are crucial in determining the lighting and cooling of a room. The selection of appropriate items plays an important role for any building. Safety and comfort of office users are highly emphasized in addition to maintaining the aesthetic of the office interior. Furthermore, office lighting needs to be considered to ensure that office work can be carried out effectively. From a maintenance perspective, it is crucial to ensure that maintenance tasks and problem solving are performed efficiently and effectively. Therefore, the arrangement of electrical equipment such as light, air conditioner, and sockets is very important for this purpose. Therefore, the engineer plays an important role in ensuring the smooth operation of a building. These are chosen light installation. The purpose of selecting this light is to help reduce the building electricity costs due to their low watt. Additionally, the air conditioning units were also chosen for cost-saving purpose. However, this will not affect the cooling of the room using these air conditioners, as a room size was considered to ensure optimal cooling. That concludes my presentation for now. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ahmad Rosli. I want to present about the drawing that we have to for assignment 1 and assignment 2, which is assignment 1 we have the calculation and drawing for lamp. For assignment 2 we have to a calculation for maximum demand and total cognitive load for lamp, socket, and aircon. For lamp at Surau, we have choose a fluorescent lamp which is 18 watt and 36 watt. This design for lamp, it required calculation for choose the type of lamp and watt for lamp. This calculation include height, width, and area in the surau. For this surau, it is a three-phase system which is red phase, blue phase, and yellow phase. This three-phase system need to be balanced. And it have a calculation from total cognitive load and maximum demand from assignment 2. The most lamp that appear in surau is ruang solat utama, which is it use a 36 watt, which is it suitable for the bigger area. Next, from assignment 2, the type socket outlet that we use for surau is 13 MSSO socket. This type of socket also need a calculation which is need to put in every phase, because this surau use three-phase system. and it same like lamp, it need to be balanced. Same goes to air conditioner, which is you need to perform a calculation that to know how horsepower that needed for each area, which is if the small area we use that total area in feet times 16 divided by 9,000, and for the big area we calculate that area in feet times 70 divided by 9,000. This air conditioner also had in three-phase system, same to the lamp and socket, and it need to be balanced. And for air conditioner, it required two for one air conditioner for one circuit or one phase only. Thank you.
In a conclusion, a well-designed and effective lighting system can be a few advantages for different situations, including office, open areas, and classrooms. However, there are still a way to advance the field and make more improvement. In the incorporation of smart technology into the lighting system is one area that must be further investigated to increase convenience, save energy, and offer more customization possibility. This may incorporate technology like motion sensor, automatic lighting control, remote administration option. There is more economically friendly lighting alternative is another area need improvement. Decoration, they may utilize LED and other lighting efficient lighting option, as well as integrating solar power and other renewable energy source into the lighting system. In general, in a goal of electrical installation design is to create the best possibility installation that has a positive influence on the health and safety of those who occupy the buildings. Following a redesign of the installation system, the lighting was balanced with space because it was observed that the sighting design had low lighting design lumen. Overall, there are several opportunities for the further advancement, the breakthrough into the realms of lighting design and technology. Besides this chance, we can make the design lighting system that are not only useful and artistically beautiful but economical and environmentally responsible.